My name is Aayush Garg. I study in 5th standard. My school name is Dayal Singh Public School, Panipat. I am a student of Tinker Coders. As you know, that Tinker Coders has organized a competition among the students of it for the themes Christmas or New Year. I have chosen New Year theme and not the Christmas theme because Christmas is gone. So I thought that New Year theme will be a better option. I have made a project on Scratch application in which Happy New Year text is blinking and changing its color. I made it because New Year is coming soon, so everyone will send GIF to their relatives and friends. So I thought that I can make an alternative of GIF. Now I am going to show you my project.